So hello friends, I am Shorodi Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of a Crompton ceiling fan, that is Crompton Avancer Anti-Dust Indigo Blue.
So hello guys, I am Saurabh Biswas. So welcome back to my channel. So today I will going to do an unboxing on Crompton Aura Anti-Dust Lagoon Blue. So as you are watching, so this is the product, and let me remove this cord and let me show you the manufacturing details. So guys, as you are watching, this is a Bethora made product as you can see, and this is made in February 2021 and the MRP is 3740. So as you are watching, this is a brand new unit. Obviously this is a, you may say, 1 year old unit, since currently this 2022 whatsoever. And let me show you the blades. This is a fully sealed pack. I didn't open it and checked in the shop, so that's why I am very curious about it. As you know, the mishandling done by the transporters and the shop warehouses. So this is the blade. So let me see something. So here is written 7 January 2021 ID. So, and here is the color of this. So this is something somewhat like a sky blue type color, and the blade is also of 121, as you can understand. So without wasting any more time, let's do the unboxing of the product. The thing is that regarding the tools required, let me say you in the first, you need some wires. Here is 2 feet wire, and here is a tester. Here is 10-11 mil spanner, because these are obviously M6, that's why, and obviously a plier, and I have a screwdriver set of Taparia brand, multiple screwdriver set, as you can see. So this big -1 or the thick +1 will do the blade tightening job, as you can understand. So whatever might be, the code of the product is AURPMAD48LGB. So this is the code, and whatsoever, let's do the quick unboxing. So guys, as you can see, this is the motor, this is the down rod, here is the shackle, here is the canopy set, and there is the warranty card. So let me first check the motor, and always check the decoding, because this kind of fan have decodings. So as per the packaging, I can understand it's a very good Bethora product. So let me just check the ring from the above part, if there is any cracks or any damages physical. Now let me see the bottom. Wow, this product looks awesome, really awesome. Let me just keep the fan here and let me show you the rest of the things. Obviously you shouldn't be keeping an aura like this, because if you pressurize the motor, the ring will break. But be sure about the fact, and whatsoever, let me unpack the other equipments. So now as you can see the motor, so let me pull out the canopies from here. So if you see here, here is a 2 packet. One packet is for the entire canopy set and another packet for the lower canopy. So this kind of double packaging is provided by Bethora. Solan provides only 1 package. Bethora provides 2 packets. So as you can see, the canopies are looking pretty decent. So I hope you will feel this color is looking slightly greenish or yellowish, because due to the flash color tone of the cell phone or smartphones. But when I will put in the ceiling in a good illuminated room, you will understand what's the real color of the fan. So whatsoever, this is the canopy decoding is coming out from the canopy, and this is obviously a push type thing, as you know. So you just have to press it like this to fit this stuff, as you can see. So the canopies are okay. Here is a 11-inch down rod. As you can see, it is a M6 down rod, 11-inch. It is in a perfect condition, no issues regarding that. Now let's come to the shackle part. As you can see, here is the shackle. Let me say you the brand of the shackle. Obviously this is an STD shackle, but this is a PE brand shackle. As you can see, here is written PE. So this is the vendor of the shackle is PE. Our main motive is to install and review the product whatsoever. Let's do it without wasting any more time. But primarily, let me say you something regarding the fan. So as you can see, this fan is provided with the EPCOS branded box capacitor. This capacitor brand is EPCOS and it's 2.25 microfarad capacitor. Now looking from here, the color and whatsoever, the things are looking pretty good. So let me install the product. So guys, attention, carefully watch. I have full tightened the bolt and still this stupid thing is loose, as you can see. Now you will say that if I tighten the safety screw, then the wiggle will go, but the safety screw is not meant to be grabbing the down rod tight. The main thing that is grabbing the down rod tight is this bolt. So Crompton is intentionally providing this kind of stupid bolts with less amount of threads so that the bolt gets full tight, but the down rod don't get compressed in the shaft and there is a wiggle. So whatsoever, I will advise you, these two washers are not required from the shackle. These are extremely, you may say, these are extra washers that are provided. So use these washers and save your motor bolt. So let me show you what I am talking about. So actually the thing is that, let me show you what is happening. The motor bolt is fully tight that you have just saw. Let me take it. So this thing is totally tight, and if I was spinning this and this thing is happening, the entire bolt is spinning, but the thing is loose. So what I should do? I should again remove the bolt and take these washers, because this thing only requires more amount of washers. So I will take or borrow more amount of washers from here. These two washers, as these two are absolutely not required. That's why these two are provided as an extra. So just put it here. Do it what I am doing for your safety, whatever might be a Bethora or a Solon product. So guys, as you can see, I have now tightened this thing. As you can see here, the given washer that is provided, one spring washer, one plain washer with the motor bolt is here, and from the shackle that is borrowed from the shackle is here. So so as you can see, there are 4 washers in total, and this thing is now damn tight and there is no wiggles or wobbles on the down rod. So always check this, and if you feel that your nut is having a thread jumping or whatsoever happening, then you may also take the nut from this and you may exchange the nut from here to here. Just for your safety reason, I did say it to you, since Crompton has deteriorated the quality like Havells do in a regular basis and Orient do whatsoever. So now the safety screw is damn tight, and obviously take a 4-point screwdriver of Taparia brand, because Taparia makes the best screwdrivers, and tighten all the nuts whatsoever very tightly. So always apply the safety this small nut that is provided. And yes, one thing I forgot to mention, don't remove this plastic plug that is provided above the shaft very strictly. So whatever might be, let me tighten this thing up and pass the wires. So as you can see, the fan is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty sky blue looking fan, and this color of fans is very good looking in a room which is having a sky blue wall and a white ceiling, as you can understand. So whatever might be, let's install the fan and see the real performance and the real color obviously. So guys, let's install the fan and see what's the performance. So let me quickly fix the blades. So as you can see, I've installed the blades. So let me hang the fan and see what's the performance. So guys, as you can see, the fan is looking quite nice. Let me just turn on the perfect light in this room. So as you can see, I hope this is the perfect lighting, and let me show you the fan. Obviously some of the lighting is not familiar with the camera or whatsoever, that's why. So as you can see, the fan, whatever, this fan is looking quite good. So let me start the fan and see what's the performance for the first time. Wow, 380 rpm. Really, it's 380 rpm. The speed is awesome. The air cutting noise is okay. This fan is not silent like the daycare, but the air cutting noise is there. I hope I can hear a high pitched air cutting noise due to the plastic seal on the blade decos. So if you want to use the fan, first of all remove the blade plastics from the blade decos and whatsoever. The fan is very airy, or you may say the air flow of this fan is quite good. It's very nice airflow. I can feel the airflow. It's awesome. Let me show you from this side. So the airflow is quite nice. The color is also looking pretty good. Now since these are LED lights, that's why different lights will show up different colors of the fan, as you can understand, due to the color index or whatsoever things. So the airflow of this fan is pretty good, really good airflow. Let me just feel the air and see what's the air spreading capacity of this fan. The air spreading capacity of this fan is really nice. That's why the camera can pick up more noise, but in reality, obviously this fan is same noisy as that of that Jura or that Aura. So obviously, as you know, Auras are slightly noisier than Juras because due to the design of the blade decos, the air gets slightly dissipated from that and there comes an extra noise. But overall, the fan is really good fan. The airflow is pretty good. It's real 230 cubic meter per minute airflow, and the air is very surrounding airflow. The entire space is getting a good air surrounding effect, and no, this is not like the Riviera or the other junk fans out available in the market which only circulate the air below the fan and no airflow in the other sides. This fan is exactly performing like the Bethora HS, circulating the air all across the room. The JKR is also a similar fan. It also circulates the air all across the room, but due to the speed is low and the one blade extra, that's why that circulation effect is slightly less. But yes, there is a circulation. But regarding the Avancer also, the Avancer and the daycare is similar in aspect, but the HS and the Aura is exactly similar in aspect. Both the fans have a good air spread. So whatever might be, this is the performance of the Bethora Aura, as you can see. So let's stop the fan. So guys, as you can see, I have switched off the fan and it's looking pretty bluish, and since my wall colors are faded since 10 years before I repainted this room, otherwise the exact fan color was my room's color, but obviously I will repaint my home very soon and this fan will exactly match with the decorum of the walls and whatsoever. So whatsoever, the fan is really good. It's a very awesome product, and regarding the fact, if you want to try, yes, you may try this. So whatever might be, I hope you liked the video. So if you like the video, then press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming fan videos like. So whatever might be, thanks for watching.